I have prepared for this sample by cutting a piece of crepe, flatlining it to organza, and then thread marking my hem an inch from one of the cut edges. In addition, I have pre-pressed and pre-shrunk my hug snug and my hem lace. Catching only the organza, the hem lace, and the seam allowance. So you can see here that the hem is up, but is not in any way stitched to the face of the fabric. This is the sample for slip stitching a hem that has a organza flat lining and hem tape over the seam allowance, because I like to sink my knot into seam allowance because it helps prevent it from slipping out. So the next stitch will go in between the layers of fabric